Why trapping is important for your file. To avoid misregistration. Today I will show you an example of the process of how to trap a label. We will start on checking the dial-in. Make it sure that dial-ins are overprinted. Black text can be overprinted. We will apply choke here since black is darker than the Pantone yellow. Duplicate the fill. Apply the offset path and enter the value of trap specs. Pantone yellow will go into black. Proceed applying the trapping. Just make it sure you follow the light to dark rule. If an object has a lighter stroke, you can duplicate it and add thickness according to the trapping value and apply the darken effect. If an object has a darker stroke, you can duplicate it and reduce the thickness according to the trapping value and apply the darken effect. In text colors, there should be only one. If the black text is mixed with another color, you should make the other color 0. And all you have left is black, then overprint. Black strokes with white fill can be overprint or darken effect. White text with rich colors in the background need to hold back. You can add a stroke and enter the trapping value. Then apply the screen effect. When the trap is in the corner, you need to apply a miter. This job is flexo, so we also need to check its minimum dot. Minimum dot indicates what is the size of the minimum printing dot that appears on the plate. This size is normally expressed in microns, or, less commonly, as a percentage of a given line screen, and it is set as a threshold in plate imaging to obtain such size on the finished plate. We also need to check the bleed size. Bleed is printing that goes beyond the edge of where the sheet will be trimmed. In other words, the bleed is the area to be trimmed off. The bleed is the part on the side of a document that gives the printer a small amount of space to account for movement of the paper, and design inconsistencies. Now it is necessary to check the dimensions of trapping, bleed, and hold back. In other words, there should be self-QC for better artwork. Self-QC is a process through which a business seeks to ensure that product quality is maintained or improved, creating benchmarks for product quality and testing products to check for statistically significant variations. You also need to make sure that the barcode is scanned properly. If you have correctly applied the trapping, pull back, minimum dot and bleed size. Then, your artwork is ready for printing. You can export your final artwork or save as PDF. It depends on the requirements of the printer.